Hey guys, it's Frances, and this week's collaboration is hosted by D Loves Nails, and she asked us to represent polka dots on our nails. So you will see a ton of polka dots in this one. This is a sneak preview of all the other ladies who participated in this collaboration. Please go check them out. I will link them below, as I always do. If you're coming from one of their channels and this is your first time seeing me, thank you for watching. I am so glad that you came here. I hope you like what you see. And if you're one of my subscribers, thank you for coming back. And I'm happy that you're here. Coming up as this last design is my design. So if you want to see how I created this design, just keep watching. So I'm starting out with OPI's Alpine Snow on my middle and ring finger, and on my three other fingers is Ruby Pumps from China Glaze. And I'm going to be putting some liquid latex around my nails, although in hindsight it probably did not need to go around my red nails. Let's have a little discussion about that Ruby Pumps. It is probably my absolute favorite red ever, and I'm going to be using this Queen Fairy Tale Lover from the Fairy Tale Lover 02 from their, it was a box that it came in. I can't even remember what it was called. And then I'm going to be using this green from Beauty Big Bang as my stamping polish, and it is a stamping polish and a clear stamper. I think this is an Anagibus one. And I'm just going to stamp on my white nails. I will not be stamping on my red nails. I will actually be doing freehand polka dots on my ring or on my other fingers. And this image picked up beautifully. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove that liquid latex as I struggle a little bit to remove it. I really do like this liquid latex. It does, I didn't tell you before, but it came in my Braves Diva nail box, and it smells like chewing gum. It's yummy. So when I am dotting, I'm using a dotting tool, and you can get them pretty much anywhere. And I'm starting with a dot in the middle, and then I'm just trying to stagger them. And I actually went pretty quick at this, and it was not as bad as I thought. One thing I will tell you is when you are using a dotting tool like this, eventually when the polish is exposed to air, it will get a little tacky and stringy. Use new polish, because yikes, it will just make a mess all over your nails. So make sure that your polish is very, very wet indeed. And then I'm going to go in with a dotting tool and just use that Ruby Pumps where the cherries are. I could have reverse stamped this, but I figured I was already in a dotting tool kind of mood, so I would go ahead and use the dotting tool. And actually it worked out pretty well. And it was just those two nails. And I actually did this on my left hand as well, so it's not too bad. Now when I'm using my non-dominant hand to do stuff like this, I will rest the meat of the outside of my hand on a surface, so that I'm not making a gigantic mess. It just helps stabilize a little bit. And I'm going to be using this Maniology smudge proof or smear proof, and it works pretty well. And then I developed this strange like little indentations in some of the dots, so I just went in with a little nail art brush and filled them in. I did have some minor cleanup to do, so I came in with some 100% acetone and a angled liner brush. I think this is a Wet n Wild one that I got at the Dollar Tree. I used to see them there all the time, but I haven't seen it in a while, and I just picked up a bunch of them one day, and I kind of interchanged this with my Born Pretty cleanup brush. I like them both. I think they both do the job pretty well. And here is my final look. It kind of reminds me of one of those 1950s halter top flared skirt kind of dresses. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.